Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: developer options enabled, USB debugging on, and a verified OTA file for your exact model. You must back up user data now because patches can alter partitions. Use a DB or a PC copy. Connect via USB and test a DB devices to ensure the phone responds. Once done, move the OTA to a known folder on your PC and confirm the SHA-256 checksum matches. This prevents flashing a corrupted or wrong build that would brick the device. You now perform the core install, reboot into recovery or fastboot, and verify mode visually. If using a DB sideload, run a DB sideload file. Zip, if fastboot, flash specific images with fastboot flash system. IMG and vendor. IMG, do it one partition at a time to limit failure scope. Pay attention to command output and recovery messages so you know why something fails. Make sure the phone stays charged and avoid interrupting the USB link. You finish by clearing cache/dalvik if prompted, then reboot to the system and complete the initial setup so services reindex properly. Verify the update succeeded in settings about phone. Check build number and security patch level to confirm. If you hit a boot loop, make sure to try safe recovery steps. Reflash the stock boot image or restore your backup images and use a DB logcat to identify failing services. If problems persist, revert to your backup to regain a working device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.